Hi guys, today we are going to trim this plant. This is called Duranta Nicantha. So we are going to trim this. The reason why we are trimming it is a bit overgrown. So we are going to trim this plant to a smaller size so that it's kept tidy and neat, and also keep it within so it doesn't come up to the paving area here. So we're going to cut it right to the edge of the paving area. So let's do it. Okay. When you're trimming this plant, you just cut it into small pieces like this. So it's easier. Easier in the sense that the cutting becomes smaller and it's easy to pick up and then put in the bin. If you cut it into big pieces, then what happens is we have big pieces and cut again. So normally what I do is I just cut it into small pieces first. So you also get into the inner part easier. If you're going to cut the inner part and you have to go inside here and cut, so it's really difficult. You might get hurt by these branches outside here. So you just start cutting from work from outside towards inside. Okay, so just the reason why we trim these plants is basically sometimes it's overgrown. Normally trimming is done due to a few reasons. One is if the plant is diseased, you trim it. Sometimes it's overgrown, you have to trim it. And a few other factors. Mostly a disease, sometimes you want to keep it within a certain boundary line. So you also trim because of that one. So in different plant, you trim for different reasons. So normally what I do is I cut the big ones with these loppers. Okay guys, this is how you trim this kind of like hedge. It's not a hedge plant, but it's planted in the middle of that garden. So you have to be like controlled and keep the height low. So that's why we have to cut it this way. So I hope you got a rough idea how to cut this plant here. And yeah, this is how you do some trimming. So hope you like the job. Guys, if you like this my work, please subscribe, like, share, and please leave some comments how you will do it. So in that way everyone can share everyone's idea. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, and then see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.